Can you make money with affiliate marketing without a website? The short answer is yes. In this video, we will show you how. But keep watching. Be ready for a fantastic idea I have for you, where you don't have to build your own website. In this video, I will offer to coach you to make your first affiliate commission without your own website, just as I have done with so many people before you. People believe that affiliate marketing is impossible without a website because of a certain stigma. While operating a website or blog is the most surefire way to succeed at affiliate marketing, you can be a successful affiliate marketer without them. The key to affiliate marketing is knowing how to send targets to an affiliate vendor's site. And that can be accomplished in a number of ways. As long as you know how to get leads to click on links and make a purchase on your affiliate merchant's site, you're good to go. We have some good news for affiliate marketers who are unsure about affiliate marketing due to a lack of a website or blog. There are plenty of ways to do affiliate marketing without a website. 5 of the best are: 1. Promote through social media. A blog or website is not necessary to become an affiliate marketer, but you must have an online presence. For example, you can start by opening Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook accounts. 2. Write an ebook. A free ebook, promoted via social media or forums, is another good option for promoting affiliate links. If done correctly, a successful ebook can have long-lasting effects, even if it is more complicated. Let me know in the comments if you want your PLR ebook ready for you. 3. Create forums or online communities. These days, you can find online forums and communities everywhere, and they're great places to promote affiliate links. Find a forum where people discuss the topic of your product and start there. 4. Record YouTube videos. Affiliate links can be promoted effectively on YouTube. A YouTube account is all you need to get started. It isn't necessary to have thousands of YouTube subscribers to be successful with affiliate marketing on the platform, contrary to popular belief. 5. Bear with me, the last one is the best to start. Keep watching. If you choose one of the first 4, make sure your posts are consistent and offer fresh and useful content to your readers, viewers, or followers. Never share the link directly to the sales page. Build a bridge page before. Also, make sure to analyze your progress, be patient, and work toward eventually operating a website and blog. Affiliate marketing takes time and hard work, but it's certainly worth it in the end. But if you just want results, then consider your search for answers over. Okay, ready? Here's how it works. You build an email list of targeted email subscribers and promote affiliate offers using permission-based email marketing. List building can be technically challenging because you need to build sales funnels, copywriting, emails, create automation, sequences, and all stuff like that. I had to find one method that works for everyone, even someone like me, who doesn't have a lot of money to invest, who is really bad at marketing and selling, who can only afford to put in about an hour or 2 in the evenings, and doesn't know how to build websites. It would have to work without much writing skills or video, editing skills or any other creative skill set. So, finally, I found the perfect system to start building your email list. Number 5 is the last but the most effective. 5. A done-for-you funnel, presenting the OLSP Mega Funnel. The OLSP Mega Funnel is for any affiliate marketer or internet marketer who wants a done-for-you system that's set up and trains you to make commissions on a regular basis, generates online traffic, and builds your email lists. The Mega Funnel is an all-in-one marketing software that will help your goals as a marketer. You may ask, why should I use the OLSP Mega Funnel? With the Mega Funnel you can build professional graphics, get building list funnels, your own landing page, and many more. It's all done for you. The OLSP system has built an amazing funnel that will help your marketing efforts in a very effective way. It will cost you nothing more than a little bit of time to set up and consistently and diligently share the funnel with people who needs it. It is definitely one of the easiest ways to get started for beginners. And I would add that it is for people who will take action and actually do the work. A system will never help you if you do not apply it. Simple, it is free to join. It works and does convert really well. Look the results we are getting. There is no other system like it. Trust me, see what you get. 1. Guaranteed commissions. 2. Comment Domination Pro to earn your first commission in 20 minutes. 3. We will explain how you can get access to Traffic Nemesis to get free organic traffic to your mega funnel. 4. Get 50 eyeballs to your mega funnel. We will teach you how to purchase solo ads to get more eyeballs, traffic, to your mega funnel. 5. My team will set it all up for you. How you can let the OLSP team set up your whole mega funnel for you. 6. OLSP Dominators. This video will explain what OLSP Dominators is and how you can get access. Guaranteed traffic to your offer. I'm having amazing results with the mega funnel, but let me give you my honest opinion. What is the OLSP Mega Funnel pros and cons? Pros. It's free to join. 1. It's easy to use. 2. It will help you earn commissions online. 3. It's powerful and it works. 4. It has high conversion rates. 5. The commissions are very good. 6. Very nice and helpful community inside the group. Cons. To earn more commissions, you need to purchase or subscribe to some programs. You do not have to purchase anything if you don't want to. It is not for lazy people, it is not optimized for all types of niches. You can use the megafunnel in any niche you want, but the squeeze templates and OLSP solo ads clicks are optimized for biz opportunities and make money online niches. Check out this product that will give you the ammunition you need to drive the right traffic and sale like crazy. You have to take action. You have to invest time and money to get results. You don't need to work 10 times harder to make 10 times more money anymore. It's a step-by-step system for people who are brand new to affiliate marketing. No selling, no websites, everything is done for you. Is built for the average person who does not have experience with affiliate marketing, and it takes one step per day. It's designed to be digestible. And don't forget there are so many offers with this product. And I am also throwing in my own free offer to sweeten the deal. I will be your coach. Are you ready? Get your Mega Funnel Plus bonuses, right here.